All right, guys, so I want to go ahead and talk about the spheres of the Earth. We're often familiar with the inner core and the outer core. We know about the mantle, may even know about the asthenosphere. But the different parts of the Earth go beyond just these hard rock pieces that we will study in more detail. The things that we want to add, and when we add to those four spheres, is the hydrosphere, the atmosphere, and the biosphere. And then, of course, the solid Earth itself. The hydrosphere is what we think of as the water element. This is where all water can be found, oceans, of course, the clouds, any kind of weather. So that would be our hydrosphere. The atmosphere is that air bubble that circles the Earth that allows us to live in there. That little bubble contains carbon dioxide, oxygen, all the other gases that we use to stay alive. The other thing is the biosphere. Biosphere is actually the right on the surface of the Earth where we see plants, animals, where we all essentially live. So this would be the biosphere. And then, of course, the solid Earth, which would be our core, outer core, mantle, etc. These are the four different spheres. Of course, Apollo 8 took this awesome picture. It was the first time Earth had ever been able to see itself. So this is a very significant picture. It's really neat to be able to look at. You can see the different layers of the Earth in this with the clouds, and then there's actually a bubble around the Earth, and then the land underneath. So this is our first real true glimpse at the four spheres. When we look at the atmosphere, hydrosphere, geosphere, this is all of them. When we just where we live and what it looks like, a combination of water, air, life, land. This is a good picture of all of them together. All right, so a real short video on this one. Go ahead and check out the assignment that goes with this. Make sure you get the check for understanding with it. Talk to you later.